Hello and welcome to Mostly Vintage Cameras. This is not an unboxing channel, however I received a box in the post all the way from Australia yesterday, and this contains a new camera. As you can see from the packaging, it's from a company called Film Never Die, based in Melbourne, and this particular camera is not without some controversy. It is a new camera, new to the market, some would say not so much, but as I had the video camera open anyway, I thought we'd do a quick unboxing. Now, Film Never Die have managed to do something that Rico and Mint haven't been able to do, which is loan me a review sample. This is on loan from Film Never Die, but anything I say about this camera is entirely independent. I'm not getting paid to make this video, I'm not getting to keep the camera as far as I know. And it wouldn't matter if I were, to be perfectly honest with you. I sent them an email previously saying I'm happy to review the camera. In fact, I was asking to review the camera. This is a complicated box. And in those emails I said, if you like the review, that's great. And if you don't like the review, that's tough luck. Oh, crikey. There goes the customer's declaration. Yeah, they shipped this ticking the box for sale of goods rather than commercial sample, which means I was hit with a £30.51 duty charge, in addition to which my local mail carrier, Royal Mail, charged an £8 admin fee. So here it is, brand spanking new. Doesn't seem to be anything else in the box. This is a Film Never Die, I'm going to pronounce it Nana camera, and first impressions are the box is quite nice. It's just a cardboard box, of course. So let's get this open. I don't really have the desk space to do product unboxings, but here we go. This slides up, I guess. Hopefully nothing will fall out. Oh. Okay, well the box fits well. What have we got here? Our team, passion, film, photography, fostering film. I'll read that in full a little later. And here it is, and I have to say, first impressions are it's actually quite an attractive camera. That's interesting. One of the criticisms levelled at this camera is that, I don't leave too much away before I do a proper review of this, it's just a rebadge of a very cheap camera, and one of the defences Film Never Die have come up with is it's got a special re-engineered glass lens. And just looking at the lens, it does appear to have some sort of anti-reflective coating which you wouldn't normally expect on a basic camera. It does look to be a bigger, better lens than perhaps I was expecting it to be. Oh, crikey. Also, really heavy. I mean, not to the extent you wouldn't carry it around with you, but this does not feel like the cheap plastic cameras. They go on about this metal cover. This is metal. I was expecting it to be a single sort of press-on, almost tin lid, but it actually extends, or seems to extend, all the way around three sides. The back and the film door are clearly plastic. So there it is, that's the unboxing of a Film Never Die Nana camera. I'm genuinely... here we go. This has a filter on it. It's maybe the filter that's got the coating. No, it's a lens. The lens actually has an anti-reflective coating. That's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting to like this, if I'm perfectly honest, but first impressions are better than I was expecting. I think the strap is a little bit cheesy, but that's neither here nor there. What else have we got in the box? We've got this, I don't know if this is a cleanse cloth or a dust cover. Or both. Oh, it's a dust cover. I suppose you'd call it a case, really. obviously custom made to fit the camera specifically. What else we got? User manual. So this camera does require a battery, and there is no battery included as far as I can tell, unless it's in here. No. It's a single AA. I know a lot of people like cameras that run on AA's. I prefer a lithium battery myself, but there we go. Anyway, that's what you get. Let me just change the camera angle. That's what you get if you buy a Film Never Dying Nano. I've read so much about this and seen other cameras that use similar internals, but actually now it's here, it is, I mean, it is what it is. It's a reloadable, reusable camera type thing, but it's nicer than I was expecting it to be. Anywho, I'll be doing a full review on this. As I say, there has been some controversy over how new a camera it is, who actually made it, how the production was funded. So I think what I will do is a further 2 videos, one where I just take pictures with the camera and describe it as I would any other camera, and maybe I'll do another video where I go more into detail about some of the things that have been said about it. I don't want to go into too much detail here. But anyway, for now, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Do have a good day.